Hey guys, okay, so it is Sunday night, almost October, and here in New England the leaves have started to change colors, which is exciting, but it's also the wonderful precursor of winter is coming. So that really has absolutely nothing to do with my pour, but it's been beautiful the last couple of days and we've needed some big amounts of rain, and we're gonna get that this week. Most of the week it's gonna rain. How fabulous. I know that everything can use it right now because it's very dry out there. Okay, before I start this pour, there is a viewer of my channel. He and his wife have been watching me pour and many other artists pour since they were in a terrible car accident last January. They're from Melbourne, Australia, and they're doing okay. Every day is a better day, and they have found hope and therapy in recreating or just doing acrylic pouring. It's wonderful art therapy for people, and they've really enjoyed it. So, but today is a special day as John Festuca. It is his 50th birthday, and I want to say happy birthday to you. I want to congratulate you because I guess you worked all night trying to recreate Tidal Pool, and of all of the retries, even my own retry on it, multiple retries that I've tried to do on it, yours has come the closest. So I want to just give you kudos to all your hard work, and I'm really, really impressed with your take on Tidal Pool. I want to wish you a very happy 50th birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope this gave you a good surprise because I know you're watching right now. So your wife Sandra's been lovely. Your daughter Sarah, her artwork's just wonderful too. So please tell her I said hello. And I want to, just have a wonderful day. Happy birthday to you, John Festuca. And from what I've been told, he's now nicknamed Johnny Mack. So that's really great. I wish you the best in all your acrylic pouring. I wish you and your family healing prayers, and I hope you guys get back out there again and are able to work and do all of that. I wish you the best. Happy birthday. And now we're gonna pour. So what I decided, I did a flood coat on this 15 by 30 inch canvas. And so I did Prussian Blue by Golden. And I'm going to also be using their High Flow Gold, their Iridescent Pearl Fine, and I mixed the Iridescent Pearl Fine with Art Alchemy's. Which one is this? This is their Pearl White. It's their metallic paint. And there are the Art Alchemy. Good Lord, I can't even read this. Oh, Crocus Fields. It's beautiful purple. Figured that would be really nice against the Prussian Blue. And I have a little bit of 24K gold. Not sure if I'm going to use a whole lot of it, but maybe just a little dab here and there as we do an open cup pour across the canvas. Now I'm going to roll up my sleeves. And of course I just got the hair off my sweater. Ugh. And I have really long hair, and I always have to pull it up because it's curly and it'll get everywhere. I think I shed more than a cat does sometimes. All right, So we're gonna get our paints over here in order, and I've got more Prussian blue over here, which I actually think I'm gonna transfer some into a cup. It'll make it easier to pour. I'm super tired. I almost can't wait to go to bed. This has been one of those weeks. All right, little fuzzies. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is start it here. And this is just a 3 ounce or a 2 ounce little shot cup type of plastic deal I got at the grocery store. I just cut the bottom off. And I'm just gonna seal that up nice and good. There we go. And my paint consistencies are fairly thin. They run right off. And we're gonna go in right away with the metallic white. I think I'll do some of the purple. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we're gonna give it a go. And I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of the gold in there. There we go. Let's get some of the high flow in there, because that's always a win. Just cover the whole area. I'm gonna put it over here because it's in the way, and it's already moving. Ooh, that's so cool. That is actually the high flow iridescent gold fine. You really don't need a whole lot of paint with an open cup pour. Look at that. I hope you guys can see that. And get in here with some of the blue. It's fractaling over here from the high flow. And I don't know what I'm doing. I was gonna do a line, but yeah, mix it up a little bit and do something different, I guess. I sort of want to keep it right there. I'm gonna do a little bit of the blue around it. I'm gonna just break it up. No more secret love affair. And some white. Really likes that white. As soon as I put the white in there, it releases everything. And now we're just gonna look at it for a minute and futz with it some more. I'm just gonna bring it over there because I'm not liking it. So okay. So oddly enough, I now like it. I don't know why, but I love what's going on here. And I almost want to just keep it like this and make another one. I'm gonna have to bring you guys in for sure to be able to see what's going on here. It's so pretty. Not 100% crazy about the fractals, so they drive me nuts sometimes. I'm just trying to figure out how I can sort of break this up, but then I don't know if I want to, but I'm going to, because it's gonna really, really bother me if which I knew using the high flow would do that. Definitely went a little bonkers, and I find them to be somewhat messy looking at times. I'm actually going to do this. It's actually really quite cool. It looks like a galaxy or some kind of nebula out there. I can't wait to bring you guys in. I didn't like it there for a minute, but then I stopped and I looked at it from a different angle, and perspective can change things. Oh yes, it's very cool. All right, I'm gonna bring you guys in and you'll see what I see. All right, so here we are. This is all the high flow, and I'll go around on the other side. And I love this area. This is so space-like. It looks so cool. It looks like a nebula. But all of this, and it's so hard. I can't catch it right now. I'll go around the other way But aside from the Prussian blue, the other colors are iridescent or metallics. And I'm just trying to get you in to see the whole piece here without too much light reflection, because as soon as I turn, it's going to have reflective lights everywhere. But I'm glad I reduced some of the fractaline in there. I wasn't crazy about it, but look at it. Here's all the lights. And you can see the iridescence. Maybe going a little fast, maybe. I don't know. Anywho, but here it is, and I'm either seeing it's vertically. It'll be a vertically hung piece, I think. I'm not sure how I like it horizontally, but I think vertically it'd be really, really cool. I mean, I love it. I love it. So with that being said, happy birthday, Johnny Mack, John Festuca of Melbourne, Australia. Have a wonderful 50th. Everybody say happy birthday to John. And thanks for coming on this journey with me. And thank you for letting me inspire you all. What else? I don't know. I'm burnt out. It's Sunday night and it's like 9:30. Now I'm tired. I hope you guys have a great start of your week. You'll see this on Monday. Bye for now.